The stake pockets. Looks pretty good. Got my fuel fillers figured out, I think. Had the camera shy guy cut out the holes for some of the marker lights. Got those ground up. And trying to figure out some of the wiring, which is real complicated here. We've started putting some sheet on the headboard. I had to put it back outside again because a plow truck busted an axle in the front, and well, it's snowing here in New England and everybody's losing their minds because they forgot what snow was. And look at the little bit of water that's dripping on it off of the roof. Just freaking rusted the heck out of it, and I hate that. I guess that's the bitch of working in a tiny shop. But thank you to Steve-O for cleaning that up a little. Alright, getting ready. Get this side on. Get some Crossthread coffee brewing. Get the morning running right. Let's just see if I can do this alone. Instructors will tell you to weld comfortable, get comfortable while you're welding and prop your arms and everything, and I completely disagree. I think that if you want to improve your skills as a welder, get as uncomfortable as you can. Bend them in on the tails, simple, and I'll do it. Also, one of the things we got to do is get this horrible fender off of here. New bumper too. We got to use fender. We got to paint up. This one, the front tire exploded and crunched it. I didn't hurt anything else. But we're gonna get to painting on that. Plus, I decided I'm gonna put some gussets behind the trailer hitch. I'll show you because, well, you know, I like things that can't break. So we're gonna do that and get to it. So if you go into Harbor Freight, you'll find a welding helmet that looks like that. Don't buy it. It's a piece of shit. In fact, don't buy a welding helmet at Harbor Freight. They suck. I had to do it. Been using the same Huntsman helmet for just about 40 years, and my, it was rough. So this is a little bit better, but I tell you, what a piece of garbage. You know, I'm sure that some of you have noticed that pretty much everything I cut is flame cut, you know, plasma cutter or torch, because, well, it's kind of all I got. I mean, I've got this old abrasive chop saw that, you know, I use for hydraulic hoses now because it's pretty beat and it's old school. I use what I got and try and make it work. My tiny little shop. And I appreciate if you guys have any comments or questions or advice or thoughts for me. And let's get back to it.